The Honda Accord key fob for 2022-2023 models can sometimes be tricky to open. Start by locating the small indentation or slot on the side of the fob near the key ring. This indentation is where you'll insert your tool. Gently insert a plastic pry tool or a small flathead screwdriver into the slot. Avoid using excessive force or metal tools to prevent scratches or damage. Twist gently to separate the two halves of the fob. If the case feels stuck, try wiggling the tool slightly while applying pressure. Grime buildup can cause the case to stick. Using a hairdryer on low heat to soften the plastic slightly can sometimes help. Once the fob is open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the polarity before removing it. The positive side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Reassemble the fob by snapping the two halves back together. Test the functionality by pressing the buttons to lock and unlock your vehicle. If the remote doesn't work after replacing the battery, reprogram it via the vehicle's infotainment system under Settings, Vehicle, Keyless Remote. Ensure the battery polarity is correct, as incorrect polarity is a common cause of failure. If issues persist, consult a Honda dealer.